Week 15 is done. I'm an ESL teacher in Southern China here. My highs and lows of the week. This week we talked all about environmental protection, and would you know it, I discovered that propaganda really does work, because for years I've started every single one of these classes with what can we do to help save the environment, like you and I on a daily basis. And in the past, the students have always just recited off the things that they've always heard. Use bamboo chopsticks and take shorter showers. And by propaganda, I mean like this would be posted on posters inside the classroom, and they were always in advertisements, like advice about how to protect the environment. But this year, students struggled. They genuinely struggled coming up with things to do that would help the environment. The biggest one they said though was don't litter. Yes, we need more of that. I also asked them to imagine what would the world be like if we didn't protect the environment, like in 5 years, in 10 years, in 50 years. A lot of them had really interesting ideas. They said when land gets destroyed, maybe we will move to the ocean and we'll colonize the ocean. A ton of students said we're just gonna ditch and we're gonna live in space instead. Some students said that maybe we will have some new species because there's so much trash in the ocean that the trash will actually mix with the animals and with the fish, and will create these new like trash fish species. A lot of students said too, what if the temperature or the pollution is too bad and we just can't go outside anymore? Like the rain will hurt our skin, or maybe it's too bright, it'll hurt our eyes, and we'll all go back to like online work and online school again. But the saddest part, according to one student, was the fact that if the world is too polluted, we can't eat seafood anymore. For lows this week, my students are just really tired. We're gearing up for final exams. Standardized testing is coming. There's a lot on their plate that they're dealing with, so we're trying to take it slow. We're trying to encourage them along the way too.